Hey, this is Trevor with SSV Works, and today on SSV TV, we're talking about more bass in the back of your RZR. Whether you've got a Pro XP, a Turbo R, or a Pro R 4-seat, this rear seat sub add-on is gonna make a huge difference for you, especially in an open air vehicle. Another full 10-inch sub in a sealed enclosure. So you can have our front 10 and you can have the back 10 run dual 10-inch woofers. This drops underneath the rear passenger seat and allows you to put a second 10-inch woofer in your vehicle. So you have the front SSV 10-inch dash enclosure, and now you can have a second 10-inch enclosure underneath that rear seat. This is available with our V-Spec woofer or unloaded for your own configurations. And like all SSV kits, harnessed for plug-and-play additions, fully waterproof, bracketed, everything you need in one box. Currently the box is available separately, but will be coming to kits as an add-on soon. Thanks for watching our video. Please hit like and subscribe. For more information, go to ssvworks.com. I'm Trevor, this is SSV TV. We'll see you out there.